Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to pay a supplier on Alibaba using your iPhone. Let's get started. First open the Alibaba app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, go to the product you want to buy and tap contact supplier or set now. Discuss details like price, quantity, shipping and payment method. Always confirm everything before sending money. Once the supplier agrees, go to your order tab or the trade assurance section. Alibaba Trade Assurance protects your payment, so it's safer than paying outside the platform. Tap pay now and your order. You will see payment options like credit card, PayPal, bank transfer or Alibaba Pay. Choose one that works best for you and follow the prompts. Make sure all details are correct before confirming. After entering your payment details, tap confirm payment. You will get a confirmation from Alibaba and your supplier will be notified. Keep this confirmation for your records. And that's it. Paying supplier on Alibaba using your iPhone is safe and easy. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.